Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision. You got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Style It My Way, and Style It My Way is hosted by myself, Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, being Mel B, and Joyful Decor by Denise. So come along with me as I show you how I style my den area my way. Now, all I have here is my love seat with the white cushions on it. I usually go with the black and white, but this year I'm gonna add a little color to it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add a pop of teal to it. So let's get started and I'll show you how I'm gonna style my love seat here my way. When we finish with the love seat, next we'll go over and style the swing chair and the fall pit here. So what I'm gonna start out with, I'm gonna start out with my little black and white pillows. So I'm gonna put one here. I'm gonna add the teal pillow to that. And then I'm gonna put another black and white. So on the end, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my throw. And this is just to give it a pop, that black and white. I just want to add a pop of color. So this is going to be my color choice. So I'm just going to throw my throw over here in the corner. And then I have one more pillow I'm going to add to it, and that's going to be my welcome pillow. So I'm going to just put that welcome pillow there. And my throw over a little bit. Okay, so that's going to be my love seat. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and get started here on the far pit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the glass here in the fireplace, because this glass is gonna act as a base. And this is just the glass that goes around the fire to protect it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, as I said, I'm gonna use this as my base, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make an arrangement inside of it. So I'll show you the flowers I'm gonna use. I will be using the yellow tulips, the white flowers, and what I'm gonna do, as I said, I'm gonna put them inside and make this a vase. So let's get started. And in the center, what I wanna do, I'm gonna place a yellow one here and a yellow one here on the end. Then I have the two whites. I'm gonna place them like right here in the center. And next, what I'm gonna do, I have the 3 balls that I picked up from Value City. So I'm gonna be adding these to it also. Now, I have the little white. We're gonna put it right over here. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place my orcs inside, and the little ones are gonna sit here on the flowers. And what I'll do now, I'll just go in and surround it with the flowers. So as you can see, I'm just gonna fill it in like I'm decorating a vase. I also have some greenery that I'll be using. And I'll just be putting it in to cover my stems that I have inside. Again, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on Style It My Way, because as you well know, without you, we could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. I'm just gonna fill this in, as you can see, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the reveal of this portion. For the reveal, I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. So that is my refresh of my den. All I've done, as I told you, I did bring out the TV. Under the TV, I did put a vine and the lights that do come on at night. The lights I purchased from Ollie's. The black and white pillow covers are from Amazon. The welcome pillow was from Hobby Lobby, and the throw was from Kirkland's. Under the bottom, as you can see, I have the white and gray stools. Now, the fire pit table. This is a fire pit table. I can take this apart and turn on the fire. But I decided, since it's going to be really warm, what I would do is use this glass enclosure as a vase. So that's what I've done. I've added the 3 balls that I picked up from Value City at that clearance. On the bottom, I just put the flowers inside to make it actually look like it was a vase. And I think it turned out beautifully. You all tell me what you think about this idea. I think it works because I did not want to leave the table blank, okay? So as you can see, over on the other side, all I've done is went in and added a pillow here to my swing chair to match the pillow on the couch. I've added the little flower arrangement on the table and a vase on the top. In the corner, I have my fountain. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this makeover. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I also want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and all of our hosts for inviting me to be a part of Style It My Way. You all make sure you go over and check out all their channels. It is gonna rain, so this is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.